Dear viewers, do you want to learn coding for free? You can follow this 15 incredible YouTube channel. Number 1. Teach with Team. If you want to learn Python, MongoDB, blockchain, machine learning, AI, Teach with Team have plenty of tutorial. Number 2. Telescope. If you want to learn Web3, NoSQL, JavaScript, Node.js, Docker, Django, Springboard, Telescope have a lot of this coding tutorial. Number 3. Free Code Camp. It is not only a YouTube channel but also a programming university. You have got tons of tutorial, almost everything of programming. You have got tutorial of Python data analysis, C++, computer science concept, game programming and many more. Number 4. Programming with Mosh. Mosh is an incredible and amazing coding tutorial. You can find more Python, JavaScript, front-end development, job interview related tutorial here. Number 5. Another incredible channel named Traverse Media. You can learn web development, Marn Stack, React, Node.js, Docker and many more amazing content here. Number 6. Core Scaffer, a software development channel. You can find here video related to Python, Git, Dev, environment, terminal, command, SQL, programming, terms, JavaScript, computer science, fundamental and many more. Number 7. If you want to learn coding, web designing, Windows tips and tricks, Linux, Geeky Show is the best. Number 8. The new Bostrom channel focus on cryptocurrency, Ethereum, Docker, Discord bot. Number 9. Another outstanding channel is Clever Programmer. You can get live coding performance, 5 days JavaScript challenge, Web3 and blockchain tutorial. He is showing the world top brand column such as Uber, Amazon, Facebook and many more. Number 10. Sendex. Sendex is another marvelous coding channel. You can learn here machine learning, finance, data analysis, robotics, web dev, game development tutorial. And another mind-blowing coding channel is Amigos Code. A London-based software engineer learned this channel. You can learn Springboard, Kubernetes, microservices, algorithm, and Python here. Number 12. Real Python is incredible channel to learn various Python project tips and tricks. Number 13. Another incredible AI-based coding channel is Murtaza's Workshop. You can learn drone programming, advanced computer vision, OpenCV, robotics, Arduino, and many more. Number 14. If you want to get documentary feeling for coding, the Fire Sheet is best. Created by Jeff Delaney. They cover advanced lesson about JavaScript, Flutters, Firebase, modern app development. Number 15. Hitesh Chaudhary focus on wide range subjects such as JavaScript, Python, PHP, machine learning, etc. Thank you all for concentration on the video. Please like and comment on the post.